You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there everyone, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a new mystery box! Not a re-released one, this is a new mystery box. So this is Cricut's Happy Camper mystery box. And yes, there is a cutie in it, and this is a great box. It has stuff in it that many of you have been asking for a long time, and it's just like a great variety of stuff in the box. And I will say, if you want this box, go buy it like now. Like, don't even finish listening to me chat because you could go buy it, because the past several have sold out within just a couple hours. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. First up is cardstock! I say this because again and again we hear we want cardstock in the mystery box. So Cricut, yes, thank you. So what you're getting here is the holiday pack of cardstock. So you're going to get 24 sheets in all. So there's going to be 6 sheets of each color. So you're going to get red, you're going to get cranberry, 6 sheets of mint, then you're going to get 6 sheets of green, and then we have a darker green, which I call like forest green, and then a cream color. And let's be real, Christmas is like right around the corner now. I know so many are already working on their Christmas cards, so it is great to get a whole bunch of holiday cardstock in time for the holidays. And this is out of stock online. So right now, the only way you can get it is in this mystery box. You're also going to get, this is really cool, this is Cricut's mixed materials pack. This is Enchanted Forest. This is a collaboration with Martha Stewart. But in this, you're going to get several 12 by 12 sheets. You're going to get 2 12 by 12 sheets of the permanent premium vinyl frosted gray, and then 2 of the premium removable vinyl in white, and then 2 each of the 12 by 12 cardstock. And you're going to get this in light green, dark green, and then cream also. And then it's also going to come with 2 12 by 12 sheets of the transfer tape. That way you can go ahead and transfer the vinyl. I love these mixed material things because you get a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And we're also going to get 3 of the Cricut light grip 12 by 12 mats. So this is perfect. You can use this for most cardstock, printer paper, vellum. I'm telling you, this box is awesome to me. And we're also going to get the Cricut unisex raglan tee, and this is in the color large. This is in the color gray, size large. Maybe we should make sizes colors, then it's not so intimidating. Like, I'm purple. But anyway, and this is compatible. It's not compatible, it doesn't fight infusible ink. This is compatible with infusible ink, which, speaking of infusible ink, we're getting some infusible ink. This is the Campin' Out pattern. So you're going to get 4 12 by 12 sheets. And these are so cute. This is perfect to make a camping shirt. These are adorable, actually. You're going to get 1 sheet here of the little campers in the tents. And then you get a 12 by 12 sheet here of the trees. But you could even do this for like a winter one also, I think. And then you're getting a sheet of the plaid here. And then last but not least, you're getting these adorable, you guys see, those are marshmallows on a stick. How stinking cute is that? And you're going to get 12 by 19 inches of the sparkly glitter iron-on mesh, and this is silver. And love these things also, you're getting a 10 count of the glitter gel pens. So you're going to get the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, a light blue, a brown, and a black. And then, like I said at the beginning, a cutie! So this here is the pistachio cutie, and he's a great green color there. And he was out previously. He was out in May of 2022. But because we do have him, this means this box is for Cricut Access members only. And the price of the box is $59.99. And with the MSRP, you're looking at 52.36% savings on this box. And that's before you count in your Access discount, because you have to be Access to purchase the box. So links are below to go ahead and purchase this box. We really appreciate when you guys use our links. Affiliate links are just a great way to help support small business at no added cost to you. So we greatly appreciate you for that. And we thank you for watching us today. If you could go ahead and give us the thumbs up and the subscribe, we greatly appreciate it. And thank you to all of our admins, supporters. You guys rock. Like I said, this is one of my favorite boxes recently. There's so much good stuff in this. There's so much you can do with it. We got cardstock, we got mixed materials, we got iron-on, we got a shirt, we got glitter gel pens, we got a pistachio cutie. Thanks for watching. We greatly appreciate it, and we hope you all have a craftastic week. Happy crafting, everyone. Bye. From Alex. Toodles.